Most people walk past the spider plant at the garden store without a second glance. It looks simple, almost too ordinary. But what if that plain-looking plant was quietly doing something remarkable inside your home? Something that affects your lungs, your stress levels, your sleep, and even the humidity in the air you breathe every single day? Today, we are going to break down exactly what the spider plant does, what the science actually says, and why this humble houseplant might be one of the smartest things you can bring into your living space. Let us start with the study that put the spider plant on the map. Back in 1989, NASA needed to solve a very specific problem. Astronauts were spending extended time in sealed environments, and the air inside was being contaminated by a group of chemicals called volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These chemicals off-gas from everyday materials we all live with: furniture, carpets, paint, cleaning products, even the glue holding your shelves together. So NASA tested a range of common houseplants to see which ones could actually remove these toxins from the air, and the spider plant was one of the standout performers. In preliminary tests, it removed 95% of formaldehyde from a sealed chamber in just 24 hours. That result made headlines. And it deserved to. Spider plants are capable of absorbing carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, xylene, and many other hazardous gases. These are not exotic chemicals found only in factories. Formaldehyde is found in furniture, carpets, and cleaning products. Xylene is present in paints, adhesives, and solvents. Benzene is emitted by plastics, synthetic fibers, and cigarette smoke. In other words, your home is likely full of these compounds right now, and you cannot see them, smell them, or feel them until the damage is already done. So how does the spider plant pull this off? The process is called phytoremediation. It involves the plant absorbing pollutants through its leaves, then processing those toxins with the help of its root system and associated soil microorganisms. Here is something most people do not realize. The real cleaning power is not just in the leaves. It is in the soil. The microorganisms living in the root zone break down the toxins the plant absorbs, converting harmful compounds into something the plant can actually use as nutrients. The whole system works together. Spider plants absorb airborne chemicals through tiny pores called stomata on their leaves. The more healthy and active the plant is, the more efficient this process becomes. This is why a thriving, well-cared-for spider plant will always outperform a neglected one sitting in a dark corner. Now, to be honest with you, one spider plant alone is not going to replace an air purifier. While spider plants do filter certain toxins, you would need dozens of plants per room to fully match the efficiency of a mechanical air purifier. But here is the key. Spider plants are not meant to be your only solution. They are a powerful natural layer of support that works alongside your ventilation, your habits, and your living environment. Think of it like diet and exercise. One salad does not make you healthy, but cutting out toxins from multiple angles every single day absolutely adds up. Air purification gets all the attention, but the spider plant does several other things that are just as important and far less talked about. Humidity regulation. A spider plant adds moisture to the air, making it a natural, low-cost humidifier. This is especially helpful in air-conditioned or heated rooms where dryness is common. Dry indoor air is linked to dry skin, irritated sinuses, sore throats, and even a higher risk of airborne illness. Increased humidity decreases the risk of several airborne diseases such as cold, cough, sore throat, and flu-like symptoms. Mental health and stress relief. Research consistently shows that indoor plants lower anxiety and mental fatigue while promoting feelings of calm. Studies have found that simply being around greenery can reduce cortisol levels and improve overall well-being. Cortisol is the hormone your body releases when it is under stress. Keeping it regulated matters more than most people realize. Productivity. Adding plants to an office or study area has been shown to increase productivity by up to 15%. If you work from home, that number is worth paying attention to. Hospital research. Research suggests that plants in hospital rooms can support recovery by reducing stress and creating a calming environment. They help patients feel more relaxed, encouraging faster recovery and boosting overall well-being. If plants are powerful enough to make a difference in post-surgery recovery rooms, they are more than decorative inside your home. There are dozens of air-purifying plants out there: peace lilies, snake plants, pothos, So why should the spider plant earn a place in your home? Spider plants are non-toxic and safe for both pets and children. That alone eliminates a concern that rules out most other popular options. ASPCA confirms it. Your cat can take a nibble and be absolutely fine. Beyond safety, spider plants are nearly indestructible. They thrive in indirect light. They survive irregular watering. They bounce back from neglect. And they reproduce effortlessly, producing hanging baby plants called spiderettes that you can pot up and share, meaning one plant can quickly become many. The scientist behind the NASA study recommends at least 2 decent-sized plants per 100 square feet. For a standard living room, that means 3 or 4 plants. That is a very achievable number and an affordable one. The spider plant is not flashy. It does not demand attention. But every single day, quietly and consistently, it is filtering the air around you, adding moisture to your environment, lowering your stress hormones, and making your home a measurably healthier place to be. That is not a small thing. That is exactly the kind of simple, science-backed change that makes a real difference over time. If you found this useful, subscribe for more videos on the plants, habits, and home upgrades that genuinely improve your daily life. And drop a comment below how many spider plants are currently in your home. The answer might surprise you.